That
I
is
can
not
do.
ideal. Fuck. Yeah.
Svetnya. Ooh.
This guy is wanting Nova. Alright. It's nice when someone else takes charge, you know?
Yeah, yeah, we'll deal with that. Okay. Okay. Alright. Shotgun rarely helps me, but okay.
Yeah. Pick up the fucking gun. Jesus.
Jesus, Leech.
Get it together.
Oh, big gun. Ooh, the Glade Ripper. Alright.
Name.
What a name. No kidding. Oh, Ken, you missed your floating free cluster strike.
Oh, fuck, did I? Oh, idiot.
Got it.
You can take it. Yeah, you're better with them. Yeah, you can take it. Fuck.
Once it's a little pump. I don't see anybody up on the top, but I'm sure I'll get shot here soon.
Yeah. Of course.
Do you? Oh no, crazy. Wait,
No,
Crazy
it's
Llama?
not.
Oh no, it's a different guy.
Crazy llama life.
Remember that guy we had Llama? It was Crazy Llama, I think.
Was it? Oh fuck, okay, guys up top in the stairwell.
Yeah, okay, I'm up here now. I was just about to say don't go, I'm about to make it.
Yeah, he's just hiding in the corner with a riot shield, just fucking toss a nade in there. Yeah.
Oh, I don't have one.
Coming out now, coming out now.
Oh no.
Oh, what? What?
Oh my god, no.
That's
Not like this.
such bullshit.
Not like this.
Not like this, mother.
Oh, he got me?
God, fucking crazy.
I tried to, yes, BYU.
Oh, still alive?
Yeah, barely. What? Oh crap. Heads up. Well, I thought the circle was closing, but it's the hunting. Wow. Idiot.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Here we go. How are you guys doing up there? Oh!
I just saved our buddy's ass. Jesus.
Damn, just
Very good.
sizzling.
Very good timing. Yeah.
Nice.
Getting lit from up in fucking living area though.
Liddy. I'm coming.
Okay.
Taking it a long way. Oh, Dainty's almost a goner.
Snip me good.
Whoa. Where was it? Oh.
Up and living, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I do have that free cluster, but I don't know.
Oh fuck! I just got something.
Whoa. Okay. This
Rocket
guy.
or something.
I'm tired of this guy. I got the cluster off, but he's
Oh
really
fuck!
good at
Okay.
Call of Duty. Oh my
Boys
god.
are getting fucked up here.
He's really good. Oh.
Roof is not a good place to.
Oh. Smoke.
Did you get him?
No. Oh, he got me. Good time. Nothing with the cluster.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Oh, that's too bad.
Here we go, Cam. Attaboy. Staying alive.
It does. Need some fucking
Motorcade. I like.
Why are they always in? Okay, guys, this way.
Okay. On me way by the ATV. Oh, guy up
Yeah,
top
sorry.
too. Never mind, downed him. He's downed if you want to go up there and try and finish him off. I don't know if he's
In the
ever
building
stopped.
over here?
Sorry, no, on my ping. My
Oh.
Oh my god, he got on the gondola. Oh no, he didn't.
Oh, fuck.
That would have been unbelievable if he did. His team's way far away there and living.
Fuck, I just got so much fucking money. Like,
Nice. Alright, where are we going? Who knows?
shit.
Ooh. I'm stuck. I was typing an email, now I'm stuck. Oh! Oh, is Mike muted? I can't hear him.
Doing that
Oh.
fucking guy on top of the building over here.
Okay.
Let me the fuck up with this goddamn pissy. That was.
You're at Hobby. Oh god! Oh my god, I downed him. Holy shit. That was unreal. Oh, any
I had a
friggin-
lot of money if you can go to my body. Hopefully someone else.
Whereabouts are you?
I'm going back in now.
Oh, two of them, Cam, I need ya.
Fuck, coming.
Oh, he bailed. I don't know where. He bailed. I have no idea where. Oh, he's straight ahead, 30 meters. Oh, he's right there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
he flipped the script on us. Oh, he's done brilliantly there.
I'm low as a fucking dog.
Oh, what a, oh, go on, Cam. What an absolute stud.
She just used a little distraction there, you know?
Thanks, big fella.
I need these fucking shields though. Fuck people.
Love this. From the kid. How are you? Okay, so let's play. I'm at 1 armor.
Better than none.
Better than none.
AK-8.
What? Yeah, I
Oh
don't
no, I
like,
fell down.
like, should we go somewhere? I don't even know. This guy's up top of here. Oh no, they're going down to the buy. Oh, you can buy armor plates if you need to, Cam.
I just got a couple, but yeah, I don't
Okay.
see it.
Oh, if we go upstairs, we might be alright.
Gotta go, yeah.
I don't have a prestige though, that's all I would want in this world. I hope one of the lads does, they had a lot of money.
Yeah.
So we're in it if we're right here.
Yeah, we're more armor over here. I don't know. Yeah, full 5 armor.
No, I don't have any, sorry.
some over here.
Oh. Down below? Oh, right here.
There, and there's one outside there too.
Oh, one ledge. Alright. Boys are just going for it. Oh, he's in that house where we killed that guy
Yeah,
from the last
probably.
game.
Yeah. Interesting, interesting.
Oh, BYU Cougs going off. So there's 4 of us,
Oh.
so there's 3 teams of 7. Where are they going? Oh, they're wrapping around. I just landed up top. Another guy landed up top. Got a couple armor pops on him, didn't take it off though. They have high ground. Oh, they're gonna have to jump.
Okay, we got guys out back
Oh,
here.
yeah, 48 meters, yeah. Whereabouts?
Got him.
Oh my god, Cam, let's go. Need armor, sorry. So let's stay to the left, because then we can turn and face them. Oh, they're battling the other 2. Oh, Cougs. Oh, we got them both. 2 teams of 1 each. Oh my god, no.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh my god, no.
we got one. We got one. There's one lefty up top. He's up
Okay.
top.
Oh god, that's
Top
it?
running. And that way, yeah. He's that way.
Oh my god, let's go.
Let's go. Let's fucking go.
Let's go. Oh my
What
god.
a legend.
What a game. He thought everybody else was in front of him or in the gas. Oh, amazing. Woo. Wow. That is, oh, BYU Cougs was flying. I'm excited to see this. Dainty second. You there? Oh, I heard noise.